uFloyd Nyiko Shivambu namhlanje umongameli weAfrica Mayibuye Movement okuyinhlangano noma ke kuyiqembu eqale emva kokuthi ke xebuke kumkhondo wesizwe MK Party. Ngaphambi uthafe MK Party uFloyd Shivambu ibekade ke ngusekela mengameli weqembu le-Economic Freedom Fighters EFF. Phambi kwalokho uFloyd bekade ke esophikweni labantu abasha ngaphakathi kwinhlangano kaKhongolose ANC. Floyd ke ungomunye wabantu abaziwa njengomuntu abanobuchopho bobukhali nobunjulu. Namhlanje bamezele ukusungula kwinhlangano yeAfrica Mayibuye Movement njengoba ke esengumholi wayo. Iqembu la Floyd umbize kanje kwabe izindaba.
Here now as the president of Africa Mayibuye Movement. We also want to announce that because we had foresight and understanding, we have already complied with all the provisions of the Electoral Commissions Act of 1996. So Africa Mayibuye Movement is registered as a political party in terms of the Electoral Commission Act of 1996. They have a certificate that acknowledges us as a political party. What that means is that Africa Mayibuye Movement, Mayibuye, is going to be able to contest by-elections strategically.
Uqala kaFloyd iAfrica Mayibuye Movement akuzange kuze kube umsebenzi lula njengoba bekufuze kahamba izifundazwe ngezifundazwe ngenhloso yokuzwa ke kumphakathi ukuthi kufuzile yini na ayivula ke inhlangano yezepolitiki okanye nge ashintshe kanjalo. Kanti ke lokhu qinisekiswe abantu ekade ke ehamba ibuza kubo abamnike ithemba noqina dolo.
So this is not a stock fair. It belongs to all of us. Thank you very much.
Izindabeni zesizwe oWesa TV usizwe Sibongo ngakashoze.